we'll guide you through how to choose between JetBrains and VSCode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the JetBrains website and take a look at their offerings. JetBrains provides a suite of IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA for Java, PyCharm for Python, and WebStorm for JavaScript. Each is specifically tailored for the language you're working with, offering features like smart code completion, deep static analysis, and refactorings. The IDEs are heavy on resources but offer robust language support and are perfect if you're working on large projects that need advanced debugging and version control integration. Next, open the VSCode website. VSCode is a lightweight, open-source editor known for its speed and flexibility. It's highly extensible with a vast marketplace of extensions that allow you to tailor it to your needs, no matter the language. It excels in web development with features like integrated Git control, syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, and customizable themes. If you're on a budget, VSCode is free, while JetBrains IDEs often require a subscription. Consider your project needs. If you're working on a large-scale enterprise project, JetBrains might be the better choice due to its advanced features. But if you're doing web development or need a fast, customizable editor, VSCode could be more suitable. Also, think about your system's resources. JetBrains IDEs are resource-intensive, while VSCode is more lightweight. Ultimately, both are excellent tools, but your choice should align with your specific development needs and workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.